Sometimes you have expensive values like configs or regex that we may want to create once the first time when they are used. One cell or lazy types give you that pattern. It helps us to perform lazy initialization. We can define a static cell and fill it on first access. Subsequent calls reuse the same value. Here we have created a static DB URL, and for starters we have not initialized it, or rather we have not loaded it. When we call println and we call db get db URL, it goes and first it checks if db URL is already set. It gets the value. If it is not, then it initializes the value with whatever we provide here. So in this example, when we first call it, we get computing URL, db URL Postgres localhost and mydb. But when we call it again, it calls db get db URL. At this point of time, since the data is already been initialized, we directly get the db URL instead of printing the computing URL and then initializing it again. The closure only runs once, even if multiple threads raise to call get db URL. After that, the same reference is returned. We can use one cell for configs, compile, regex, or anything expensive and global. It's clean alternative to manual lazy statics.